Welcome back to Mod Investor. So within this short video, I want to show you how to buy WIF, which is the new meme coin, which is Dogwifhat. And for those of you who haven't heard about it, I also created a separate video, which you can grab a look here and see kind of more details about it, the whole overview about the coin itself. So within this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogwifhat in just a few simple steps using Binance. So first, if you don't have a Binance account, there is a link in the description of this video so you can grab off extra perks, which is off trading fees. And after you register, you can use it on mobile or desktop. So I'm going to create two versions as a test. I normally only do one, but this time I'm going to do two to show you step by step how you can actually do it. All right, so are you ready? Because I'm totally ready for that. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to log into the Binance. And Binance already prepared some things, but the first thing which you'll need some USDT. And why is that? Because when you go to markets and search for WIF, you're gonna see that it's trading on USDT, FDUSD, BTC, or TRY pairs. If you already have some USDT or FDUSD or one of those coins, then that's great. You can actually skip this part and go to the next one. But if you don't, I'm going to show you first how to buy USDT using a card in a really simple matter. On mobile, sometimes I think it's not as simple to buy it. So first, you go to the wallet section, which is right here. Then you are gonna go to the section which says buy. You see that? Deposit and buy. With buy, you have the option to buy with, and you have maybe euros or GBPs or USD, etc. I at this moment, for example, have PLN. So I'm gonna press buy with PLN. And then you can actually change here. So I have 0, it says zloty, and I can actually tap on it and then choose which kind of currency I want to buy. Maybe I'm gonna choose, USD, right? And with USD, it says that I can buy minimum of 15 USD to 20,000 USD. So I'm gonna press 15. And then it says pay with cards. For me, they already have a saved card, but for you, it will actually look like you need to add the card first. So it's gonna look like this. So this says pay with card, add a new card, and then you need to fill out the details of your card. As simple as that. So after you fill out the details of the card, I'm gonna actually choose the card which I already have. You're gonna press buy USDT. And then, as you can see, it will give you approximately 14.36. I have some additional verification. You might have it as well. It's lately kind of a thing, which is a mandatory thing. So it asks me kind of the basic questionnaire. It's like, what will you use your Binance for? I use it on investing, actually trading on Binance, a bit of both. And kind of you have like, what's your occupation, employment, stuff like that. So you need to kind of go through all of it and how much do you expect to trade. So kind of to choose the amounts which you're doing, making sure that Binance is actually compliance with all the AML strategies, etc. So coming back, buy with USD, because now we went through the questionnaire. Choose the amounts, select the payment method. I'm going to select the card. You already added your card, and it tells me I'm going to get approximately 14.36 USDT. I'm going to press buy USDT. And I think I actually frozen the card. But after, it will ask me, please provide the CVV digits for it. And if I'm going to press buy, I'll immediately have a USDT on my account. So now you have the USDT. And how to actually now swap it to WIF. So we're gonna go back, and now in your wallet and in the spot, you should have 15 USDT. I have 26 because I have prepared already some. If you have sent from other wallets, it will also appear in your wallet. Then on the top, you need to choose spots, and then you see USDT 26. So now, if I want to swap it to WIF, I'm gonna go to markets, and again, I'm gonna search for WIF. Then I'm going to choose that I want to swap with USDT. That's exactly what I want to do. And here I'm going to press buy. Awesome. Right now, it asks me how much I want to buy of WIF. So I'm going to press that I want to not buy the WIF amount, but with the USDT. So I'm going to press, I want to buy, let's say, $15 of USDT, which that's it. Market price. If you have it on limits, then it will set a limit on the current price or on a set price. If you're starting, just choose the market price, so we'll buy it at the current market price. Amounts, you can either, you know, work with the WIF amount, but like it's easier just to choose how much of the USD you want to spend and press buy WIF. Success. I go to back to wallets and immediately I can see I have 6.21 of my WIF. As easy as that. So as you can see, it's very easy to buy WIF on the mobile, and kind of you would go in the same way to do it on the desktop, and I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to show you now. So when you log into the desktop, actually let me show you the right window so you can see it here. So you would go, if you land on Binance, you'll see this after logging in. Then you press buy crypto, which is on the top. And then similar as we just did, put the amount you want to spend first, what kind of currency you want to use, let's say USD, right? Or euros or GBP or whatever. It didn't change for me, USD. Okay, great. Then I'm going to choose, I don't want to buy Bitcoin, I want to buy USDT. And then choose the amount, which is like, let's say I'm putting a 15 USD, which is telling me that I should receive on the price of 0.95 of that USDT. Then you press buy with USDT, and the similar way you will get like 14 point something USDT on your accounts. And after, to buy WIF, you're going to go to trade and trade spots. And on trading spots, you're gonna look on the right side and type with the search, type WIF. And WIF, you can see again, I have WIF, BTC, USDT, etc. It will be the same pairs. There are no more pairs on the computer versus the mobile. It's exactly the same. You're gonna press on WIF USDT. And here I'm gonna go a bit down and I'm gonna choose market. And here you can choose amount of the USDT you want to buy. And then press, like I chose, for example, $10. It says on the market price, and I'm gonna press buy WIF. And that's it. Boom, it will be bought immediately. Great. Market order or created, market order fulfilled. Awesome. At this moment, when I come back to my wallet, and I'm gonna go assets. This is just my testing wallet and just like a YouTube wallet, just to show you how things works, not my actually private one. As you can see here, boom, I have 10.3 WIF, which is $25 worth of WIF. And as simple as that, you just bought WIF. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on. I also created a separate video, what is WIF, and if you want some more videos, maybe some price analysis, just comment below and tell me what you think about WIF, because I think it's a very curious meme coin which actually came to the market. This is it from me, Rafael Sibila here, Mad Investor.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets of the